So some people feel like digital marketing is not working for them, but it's basically because they really don't understand how digital marketing works. So in this video, I'm going to show you how digital marketing works and what you can actually do to get ROI out of your digital marketing activities. So let's get started. Hello, my name is Bobo Uko and I'm a digital marketing specialist. And in this video, I'm going to share with you tips on how digital marketing works and what you can do to get ROI out of your digital marketing strategy. So first things first, you need to choose a goal. Have a goal and make sure your goal is smart. A smart goal simply means it has to be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant to your business, and time bound. One tip that I can give you in terms of choosing a goal, let's say for instance you are new to digital marketing, or you are targeting a new set of audiences, or it's a new business that you are starting. Don't choose increase in sales or revenues as your new goal because you'll get disappointed. The best goal in your case is actually brand awareness, because people will have to be aware about your brands and the value that you can offer them for them to commit to become customers or a lead. Secondly, you need to understand your target customers. Your target customers are actually the people that you're hoping they'll become your customer in the future, in the near future. So you need to know their pain points, you need to know their goals, the challenges that are hindering them from achieving their goals, their sources of information, and the people or the factors that actually influence their decisions. There are a number of ways that you can actually understand your target market, and let me just share with you the three main and most effective ways. Number one is getting intel from your sales team. This is because your sales team are the people who talk to your target audience on a day-to-day basis in the process of closing deals. Number two is actually doing an in-person interview or even an online interview with your current customers. Get to understand the challenges that they were facing before they onboarded you to serve them, the challenges that they are currently facing as you are working with them, and the goals that they have the goals that they need to achieve as they are working with you. The third thing is actually doing a survey. It can be an online survey or even an offline, depending with your budget and your operations. You can do a survey across your industry. You can use free tools such as Google Forms and SurveyMonkey to understand your audience. The main goal here is to know what your target audience need and how you can serve them better. Thirdly, you need to understand your environment. By your environment, I simply mean your competition and your industry. Get to know what your competition is doing well and find ways on how you can do it better. Look at the things that they're actually not doing so well and use it as a weapon and do it better. Then again, looking at your industry, look at the trends in your industry and be part of the conversation in transforming your industry for the better. Also, look at what is lacking in your industry and provide that solution on what is lacking in your industry. The fourth thing, you need to come up with your point of differentiation. And this is where branding meets up with digital marketing. So your point of differentiation is whereby you stand out from the crowd, how different you are from your competition. And to come up with your point of differentiation, you need to use the information you got from the research that you did on your target customers and the research that you did on your environment, that is your industry and your competition. So look at the challenges that your target customers are facing from the research, and also look at their goals. On the competition side, look at what the competition is not providing or what the competition is not doing well. Then on the industry side, look at what the industry is lacking. Use that information to come up with your point of differentiation. Remember, your point of differentiation has to be valuable to your target customers in order for it to make sense. Up next, work on your content strategy. By now, I'm sure you've heard the term content is king, because in digital marketing, content runs everything. That is because through content is the only way that you can communicate to your target customers. It is through content that you can actually share your value to your target customers. And there are so many people, especially in the B2B sector, they are facing a lot of challenges in terms of content marketing. They don't know which kind of content to churn out to their target customers. So let me just share with you a few ways on how you can get content that you can share with your target customers. Number one, you remember the research that you did on your target customers, their pain points and their objectives. Look at the challenges that they were facing and the goals that they want to achieve. Then create content around that, providing them a solution on how to achieve those goals. Secondly, you can share success stories and case studies about your current customers, the challenges that they were facing, and the process you took and how you've helped them achieve their goals, the results that they had. You can talk about yourself as a brand on the value that you offer to your target customers and the industry at large. You can share testimonials. You can share things like your research on the industry and many more. There's a lot of content regardless of the industry that you are in, as long as you understand your target customers and you understand your environment. Then after you have content, then this is whereby these other aspects of digital marketing come in, and they act as a distribution of your content. These are digital PR, there's SEO, there's blogging, there's social media marketing, PPC, email marketing, and so much more. All these act as content distribution platforms and strategies. Without content, you cannot achieve any of this. So remember, content is king in digital marketing, and make sure that you keep on providing valuable and relevant content to your target customers and be consistent about it. Next up, you need to craft your customer journey. And your customer journey simply means the path that you're planning your target customers will follow, from them being strangers of your brand to them being your paying customers, up to that point whereby they become your brand advocates. So customer journeys change depending with your industry, depending with your internal operations and the products or services that you are actually providing. As a matter of fact, the customer journeys, they differ. B2B customer journey and B2C customer journey, they really differ, because for B2C, the buying cycle is short compared to B2B. For B2B, buying cycles can be 6 months or even longer. So that means their customer journey stages will be much longer. So regardless of the industry or the business sector that you are in, there are four main key stages that your customer journey will have, and they are: number one, it's actually awareness. This is whereby those people who are not aware about you, they become aware about your brand and what you offer and the value that you can actually offer them. Second stage is engagement. This is whereby you continuously engage with them in order to earn their trust. Then the third stage is conversion. This is whereby you keep on trying to convert them into paying customers. Then the last stage, not really the last, but the fourth stage, it's advocacy, whereby you're actually trying to woo your customers into becoming your brand advocates, and that is through the quality of products or services that you consistently offer them. And advocacy is the stage whereby you are your paying customers can vouch for your brand through case studies, testimonials, or even referring their friends and relatives or colleagues to buy your products or services. Remember, customer journeys differ depending with your industry, your internal operations, or even your type of business. But though those four main stages, they have to be there regardless of your industry or the kind of business that you're running. Then the last stage is measuring and refining. So whatever you're measuring is dictated by the goal that you chose in the first step, whether it's sales, increase in the lead quality, or a brand awareness, or any other goal that you chose. That is what dictates whatever you are measuring in your digital marketing efforts. So after you've measured your digital marketing efforts, you need to look at where you've done well, where you've not done well, and capitalize on what you've done well, then improve, find ways to improve on areas whereby you've not done well. Remember, this is a continuous process. You need to keep on measuring and refining your overall digital marketing strategies from time to time. Thank you for watching. I hope you have gotten some value. I'll be sharing digital marketing tips on a weekly basis. Please like it. If you know there's somebody who will benefit from this video, please share it with him, and consider subscribing in this channel to get more digital marketing tips. See you on the next one.